But today I want once again you to make sentences once again with dare to. I dare to, dare to, dare to, dare to, dare to. Yes, continue please. Can you please give me some sentence with dare to? Dare to. Yes.
I dare
Hello.
to answer back my father. Do I dare to answer back my father? I daren't answer back my father.
Good. Next. Guddu, Jyotsna ma'am, Mr. Karthik, Mr. Shivdas.
Yes, sir. I dare to take part in marathon.
I dare to participate in marathon. Do I
Okay,
dare
sir.
to? Do I dare to participate?
Do I dare to participate in marathon? I don't dare to participate in marathon. I
Good.
daren't participate in marathon.
Very good. Next.
I dare to climb the mountain. Do I dare to climb the mountain? I don't dare to climb the mountain.
Yes.
I dare to fight with friend. Do I dare to fight with friend? I don't dare to fight with friend.
Very good. Yes.
I dare to slap my chum. Do I dare to slap my chum? I daren't slap my chum.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes, continue. I dare to. Yes, Pradeep, Shivdas, Guddu.
I dare to fight Corona. Do I dare to fight Corona? I don't dare to fight Corona.
Very good. Go Corona. Continue.
Go Corona.
I dare to drive a car. Do I dare to drive a car? I don't dare to drive a car.
Very good. Yes. We dare to, they dare to, you dare to. You dare to climb a mountain. Do you dare to climb a mountain? You don't dare to climb a mountain. Yes.
You dare
Yes.
to watch horror movie at night. Do you dare to watch horror movie at night? You daren't dare to horror movie at night.
Watch a horror movie at night. Good.
We dare to advise our teacher. Do we dare to advise our teacher? We don't dare to advise our teacher.
Very good. Yes. Yes.
You dare to participate in competition. Do you dare to participate in competition? You don't dare to participate in competition.
Very good.
You dare to oppose brother. Do you dare to oppose brother? You don't dare to oppose brother.
Good. Yes. Dare to.
We dare to visit a castle at night. Do we dare to
We
visit a castle at night? We don't dare to visit a castle at night.
Very good. Yes.
You dare to ready to marriage. Do you dare to ready to marriage? You don't dare to ready to marriage.
Good. Ready to marry. Ready to marry. You didn't dare to ready to marry.
You dare to challenge him in the court. Do you dare to challenge him in the court? You don't dare to challenge him in the court.
Very nice. Very nice. You dare to challenge him in the court. Yes. Continue.
You dare to bunk the college. Do you dare to bunk the college? You daren't bunk the college.
Nice. Yes.
You
Okay. Can
dare
you please give me some sentences? Yeah.
you dare to go
Karthik.
there. Do you dare to go there? You don't dare to go there.
Very good. Yes.
You dare to desert. Do you dare to desert? You don't dare to desert. Yes.
Very good. Can you please give me some sentence with he, she, it? He dares to, does he dare to, he doesn't dare to. She dares to, does she dare to, she doesn't dare to. It dares to, does it dare to, it doesn't dare to. Yes.
He dares to robbery at library. Does he
He
dare
dares
to robbery at
rob.
library?
Rob. Dares
Rob.
to plus verb. Yeah. He dares to
He
rob.
dares to rob at library. Does he dare to rob at library? He doesn't dare to rob at library.
Very good. Yes.
He dares to lie to his father. Does he dare
Does he?
to lie? Does he dare to lie to his father? He doesn't dare to lie to his father.
Very good. Yes. Yes, continue. He dares to. She dares to. Continue, please.
She dares to hunt a deer in forest. Does she dare to hunt a deer in forest? She doesn't dare to hunt a deer in forest.
Very good. Yes. Continue.
She dares to dance on broken piece of mirror. Does she dare to dance on broken piece of mirror? She doesn't dare to dance on broken piece of mirror.
Wow. Oh my God. Yes, continue. He dares to. She dares to. It dares to. It dares to hire the employees at high package. Does it dare to hire the employees at high package? It didn't to. It didn't employ the high package. Yes. It dares to jump over the bandwagon. Does it dare to jump over the bandwagon? It didn't jump over the bandwagon.
He dares to give promotion to his employee. Does he dare to give promotion to his employee? He doesn't dare to give promotion to his employee.
Very good. Yes. Yes.
It dares to jump from a tree. Does it dare to jump from a tree? It doesn't dare to jump from a tree.
Correct.
It dares to jump on wall. Does it dare to jump on wall? It doesn't dare to jump on wall.
Very good. Yes. Continue.
He dares to swim in river. Does he dares to swim in river? He doesn't dare to swim in river.
Right. Does it dare to swim in river? It doesn't dare to swim in river. Yes.
It dares to bite the human. Does it dare to bite the human? It doesn't dare to bite the human.
Very good. Yes. Continue. Yes.
It dares to come out of hole. Does it dare to come out of hole? It doesn't dare to come out of hole.
Very good. Out of the hole. Anything else? It dares to.
It dares to black hole. Does he dare to black hole? It doesn't dare to black hole.
Where is the verb? It dares to go in the black hole, come in the black hole, appear in the black hole, get out of the black hole. Verb. All right, guys. Now here we go.
Sir,
We are going to make sentences. Now we are going to learn something today, and that's what new. And what is that? One of the best, one of my favorite, and that is what would. Have you done would in this class?
No, sir.
No. So what do you mean by would? When do we use it? Can you please tell me? When do we use would? Shivdas?
when
Yes,
we say
Shivdas.
means when we are I would like to means we want to do something like sir.
Very good, boy. Very good. You're saying that we are using it for willingness, right?
Yeah sir.
Very good, boy. Yes, my dear Karthik.
To denote discontinue action.
To
Discontinue action.
discontinue the action. For example,
For example, नहीं sir, sure नहीं sir,
sure ne.
no sure.
Okay, my dear Guddu.
So that is would is used for that will happen in future.
Okay, very good. That is willingness. Very good. Miss Chaitali, Mr. Pradeep Patil. Wood is one of my favorite. Wood जो है बहुत जबरदस्त लेवल का है और मैं बहुत ज्यादा यूज करता हूँ. Because wood is used for willingness, offer, and intention. We use wood for willingness, offer, and intention. Intention का मतलब होता है इरादा. इरादे को मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं? म्हणजे मला असं करायचं आहे. म्हणजे मैंने अभी ठान लिया है, मैं ये करने वाला हूँ.
निश्चय करना.
Correct. Very good. And offer? What is offer? अच्छा, ऑफर तो आप लोग को पता है ना, ऑफर क्या होता है?
Yes,
किसी
sir.
को अपन ऑफर करते हैं. So we are using wood for offer, willingness, and intention. Now I'll tell you one more thing. When do we use will? Will कब यूज करते हैं?
Future.
फ्यूचर में, जब अपने को कुछ काम करने का रहता है, बराबर ना? करेक्ट. सेम केस, विल का पास्ट फॉर्म बोलते हैं वुड. यस और नो? बट इसको पास्ट फॉर्म अपन नहीं बोलेंगे, बिकॉज वुड कैन बी यूज्ड इन प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, इन फ्यूचर एज वेल. वुड यूज होता है प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर फॉर ऑल द टेंसेस. पॉइंट नंबर 1. वुड यूज होता है तीनों भी टेंस के अंदर. Will only be used for future. Correct? So will अपन willingness के लिए यूज करते हैं. मला असं करायचं आहे, मी असं करणार. I will go to there tomorrow. I will teach you tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. So will we are using for willingness. But would we are using for willingness, offer and intention. Offer के लिए भी यूज करते हैं अपन would. तुम्ही असं करतील का? तुम्हाला ऑफर देतोय मी. तुम्ही हे घेणार का? तुम्ही ते घेणार का? तुम्हाला हे घ्यायची वाटेल का? तुम्हाला हे त्याची घ्यायची वाटेल. म्हणजे आपण ऑफर करतोय कोणाला. ॲट दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग देयर वुड. हाउ टू यूज वुड फॉर ऑफर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वुड लाइक टू हैव कॉफी. अब मैं आप लोग को एक चीज दिखाता हूँ जो कि मैंने आप लोग को बहुत ही स्टार्टिंग में बताया था. आई टोल्ड यू व्हाइल टीचिंग यू मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स. जब मैं मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब को समझा रहा था वो टाइम पे मैंने आपको वुड का एग्जाम्पल दिया था. यस नो? नहीं दिया रहेगा तो मैं अभी आप लोग को दे देता हूँ, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट वेल. कब यूज करते, कैसे यूज करते वुड को, अभी हम लोग आज देखेंगे ये वाले चैप्टर के अंदर. Is that clear? So let me find it. Let me give you some my examples. Then we are going to go for the others. पहले मैं आपको मेरे एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. Then we are going to go for the book examples. Wood, 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 wood. Where is woody like? Yeah, here it is. Now, अब for example, play attention. इसका मेन चीज क्या होता है? अपना जिसको मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी नहीं समझा है, एक बार यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए, अभी समझ में आ जाएगा आप लोग को मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी का मेन फंडा क्या है. नाउ अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हम लोग किसी को बोलते हैं, डू यू वांट टी, मतलब क्या मीनिंग होता है इसका?
आपको चाय चाहिए
क्या?
आपको चाय चाहिए?
करेक्ट. आपको चाय चाहिए क्या? डू यू वांट टी. और अगर अपन बोलेंगे वुड यू लाइक टू हैव टी, मतलब
क्या आपको टी पसंद है?
नहीं, मैंने डू यू लाइक टी नहीं बोला. मैंने पूछा वुड यू लाइक टू हैव टी, क्या आप चाय लेना पसंद करेंगे? आ हा 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 हा. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको दो चीज बोलता हूँ. एक तो पहले वाला जो ये भिखारी सेंटेंस दिख रहा है एकदम, ये डू यू वांट चॉकलेट, तुला चॉकलेट पाहिजे का भिखारी, तू तुला चॉकलेट पाहिजे का, चॉकलेट पाहिजे का. एंड दूसरा वाला क्या है, वुड यू लाइक टू हैव चॉकलेट्स, क्या आप लोग चॉकलेट लेना पसंद करेंगे. ओ माय गॉड, आप लोग वेटर के पास में जाते हैं, सॉरी वेटर आपके पास में आता है, ये सर नो होटल के अंदर, वो आपको आके क्या बोलता है, सर वुड लाइक टू हैव एनीथिंग एल्स, वो आपको आगे बोलते हो क्या अजून काय पाहिजे का रे तुला, डू यू वांट दिस, डू यू वांट दैट, ऐसे बोलता है आप लोग को. नेवर, नेवर. प्लीज पे अटेंशन, दोनों का सेंटेंस का देखो, दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है बट बोलने का सिर्फ तरीका अलग है. The way of talking is different. If you see here, do you want tea? क्या आपको टी चाहिए? And would you like to have tea? क्या आप टी लेना पसंद करेंगे? दोनों में से कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है?
सेकंड वाला.
सेकंड
Exactly, the
वाला.
second one. The second one. अगर हम लोग आके बोलेंगे, ए तुला पाहिजेल का? ए तुला पाहिजेल का ते तुला पाहिजेल का? और अगर आपण बोलेंगे, आपण आपल्याला घ्यायचंय का ते? म्हणजे तुम्हाला आवडेल का घ्यायला? सेम, खाली बोलने का तरीका चेंज हुआ है और सेंटेंस सेम है. सो डू यू वांट टी एंड वुड यू लाइक टू हैव टी सर, दोनों में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है. ओके, ए तू इधर बस रे, आप इधर बैठिए ना प्लीज, तो दोनों में फर्क है. ओके, सेम केस, डू यू वांट टी, इट इज अ नॉर्मल सेंटेंस, एंड वुड यू लाइक टू हैव टी, ये यहाँ पे ऑफर कर रहा है सामने वाले को, यस नो ऑफर, क्या सर आप ये टी लेना पसंद करेंगे प्लीज, ऑफर कर रहा है उसको. एंड डू यू वांट टी, तुम्हाला पाहिजेल का. सो ऑफर ये, बट खाली थोड़ा बोलने का तरीका अलग है. सो वुड इज मच मोर सुपीरियर देन दिस वन. तो वुड मैंने यहाँ पे यूज किया, वो थोड़ा हाई लेवल पे गया. सेम केस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल कम टुमारो, मीनिंग क्या होता है इसका, मी उद्या येईल, यस और नो,
Yes.
Yes.
आई विल कम
sir.
टुमारो. एंड इफ आई से आई वुड कम टुमारो, same meaning, but I would come tomorrow, I will come tomorrow, will is not so stronger, but the would is stronger and much more humble than will. Is that clear? Would, will से अच्छा would है, getting it? Will से अच्छा would है. For example, I would teach you this tomorrow, मैं आपको कल ये पढ़ाऊंगा. I would teach you this tomorrow, I would come tomorrow on time, मैं कल आऊंगा. Will की जगह पे अपन would यूज कर सकते हैं, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, because would you we can use for present, past and future always. Is that clear? Now please pay attention here. Would you like, अब यहाँ पे देखो ऑफर के लिए अपन यूज करते हैं would. For example, would you like equals do you want, would you like equals do you want, दोनों में भी सेम है, yes or no. अभी मैंने आप लोग को बोला दोनों भी सेम है, सिर्फ इतना है कि would यहाँ पर है and will यहाँ पर है, would यहाँ पर है and will यहाँ पर है, थोड़ा सा फर्क है उसके बीच में. सो वुड यू लाइक मीन्स डू यू वांट. फॉर एग्जांपल अभी देखो वहां पे वो आपा उसको क्या कर रही है, दीदी ऑफर कर रही है, वुड यू लाइक टू हैव, वुड यू लाइक अ चॉकलेट, तुम्हाला चॉकलेट घ्यायचंय का, ऑफर ऑफर ऑफर, वुड यू लाइक अ चॉकलेट, यस प्लीज. देखो वो भिखारी बोल भी रहा है, यस मेरे को अभी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, वी यूज वुड यू लाइक टू ऑफर थिंग्स, टू ऑफर थिंग्स. ऑफर के लिए अपन यूज करते हैं वुड, लिखा देखो उधर, we use would for offering things. Okay, we use for offer, we use would for offer. Offer के लिए अपन यूज करते हैं would. Is that clear? What a shame. Yeah, we use would for offer. For example, would you like some coffee, क्या आप कॉफी लेना पसंद करेंगे. अगर अपन भी बोलेंगे किसी को do you want coffee, तुला पाहिजेल का, तो थोड़ा सा रूड लगता है. अगर अपन बोलेंगे क्या आप कॉफी लेना पसंद करेंगे, थोड़ा सुनने में भी अच्छा लग रहा है. ओके, सो वुड लाइक सम कॉफी, नो थैंक यू. वुड लाइक अ चॉकलेट, यस प्लीज. सो वुड यू लाइक अ चॉकलेट, यस प्लीज. व्हाट वुड यू लाइक, टी और कॉफी, आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे, टी या कॉफी, टी प्लीज. सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक, टी और कॉफी, सो द पर्सन इज सेइंग टी प्लीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, वुड यू लाइक टू टी, वुड यू लाइक टू हैव टी, यस. वुड यू लाइक टू हैव कॉफी, नो थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट वन, we use would you like to invite somebody. अभी किसी को अपन इनवाइट कर रहे हैं तो आप लोग वो टाइम पे भी बोल सकते हैं would. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, would like to go for a walk, ऑफर कर रहा है, देखो वहां पर इनवाइट कर रहा है किसी को, ऑफर कर रहा है. would like to go for a walk, आप मेरे साथ में वॉक के लिए चलना चाहेंगे क्या, would like to go for a walk. नेक्स्ट, और would like to eat with us on Sunday, क्या आप हमारे साथ में खाना खाएंगे संडे के दिन. would like to eat with us on Sunday, क्या आप हमारे साथ में संडे के दिन खाना खाएंगे प्लीज? नेक्स्ट, यस आई वुड लव टू, यस हाँ मैं खाना चाहूंगा. नेक्स्ट, वुड लाइक टू डू, व्हाट वुड लाइक टू डू दिस इवनिंग? आप ये इवनिंग को क्या करना चाहेंगे? आप इवनिंग में क्या करना चाहेंगे? What would you like to do this evening? I would like to go outside. I would like to go to the cinema. I would like to go to the market. I would like to buy some vegetables. I would like to make dinner. मैं बनाना चाहूंगा. I'd like is a polite way. See, मैंने आपको क्या बोला? Would यहाँ पर है, do यहाँ पर है. So would थोड़ा high level का है. Would is so higher level. For example, would is a polite way to say. मैंने क्या बोला? मैं आपको बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करता हूँ मैं would. क्यों यूज करता हूँ मैं would? Because it is very polite way. ओ मला दे ना मला पाहिजेल, आई वांट. तो वो जो मला पाहिजेल बहुत चीप लगता है. आई वांट उसकी जगह पे आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे? आई वुड लाइक टू, आई वुड लाइक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम थर्स्टी, मैं थोड़ा प्यासा हूँ. आई एम थर्स्टी, आईड लाइक अ ड्रिंक, मैं एक ड्रिंक लेना चाहता हूँ. अपन क्या बोल सकते थे? आई वांट अ ड्रिंक. आई वांट मतलब ये थोड़ा झोपड़, मतलब ये थोड़ा सा चीप लगता है जरा सुनने में भी. ओ मला पाहिजेल थोड़ा सा चीप लग रहा है, उसकी जगह पे अपन क्या यूज करेंगे? व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू यूज हियर? I'd like a drink. I would like a drink. Next one, in tourist office. I would like to have some information about hotels, please. मुझे कुछ information चाहिए hotels के लिए, please. I would like to have some information. I would like some information about hotels. Next, I'm feeling tired. I'd like to stay at home this evening. मैं थोड़ा थका महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I would like to stay at home. I would like to stay at home. मुझे घर पे ही रहना है. I would like to stay at home. Is that clear? That clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it is very simple. We are using would for offering and willingness. For example, I would come tomorrow. ये किसका sentence है? I would come tomorrow.
Willingness.
Exactly. Willingness का sentence है ये. Next one. Uh, would you work with me?
Offer.
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 Exactly. Offer. Next one. I would go there. मैं वहां पे जाऊंगा.
Intention.
Exactly. Very good. Intention. इरादा. इरादा बनाया, मैं ऐसा करूंगा, मी ऐसा करणार. I would go there. मी तिथं जाईल. Okay? We use would for present, past and future as well. So statement बहुत easy है. Question and negative. Okay? Statement, question and negative. For example, I plus would. I would. You can make any sentence. Offer, intention or willingness. For example, I would collaborate with you. मैं आपके साथ में बिजनेस करूंगा. I would collaborate with you. Question?
Would I?
Correct. Would I collaborate with you? क्या मैं आपके साथ में बिजनेस करूंगा? And negative?
I will not.
Correct. I wouldn't collaborate
सांगितलं.
with you. Is that clear? I would collaborate.
Yes, sir.
Would I collaborate? I wouldn't collaborate. मैं आपके साथ में बिजनेस करूंगा. क्या मैं आपके साथ में बिजनेस करूंगा? I wouldn't collaborate with you. मैं आपके साथ में बिजनेस नहीं करूंगा. All right? बहुत इजी है. सबके साथ में सेम यूज होने वाला है. सबके साथ में we can use the same sentence for all of them. Is that clear? I would I wouldn't. All right. Next one. For example, she would. She would. She would.
Swim in the river.
Okay. She would swim in the river. Question.
Would she swim in the river?
Would she swim
Swim what? Swim
in the river? And negative?
She would
She
not
wouldn't.
swim in the river.
Correct. She wouldn't
Swim in the river.
swim in the river. Okay.
River.
So it is really very, very simple. Very, very simple.
Sir,
She would swim in the river. Would she swim in the river? She wouldn't swim in the river. Yes.
how many percentage of use in vocabulary would?
Pardon?
कितने परसेंटेज यूज होता है vocabulary इंग्लिश में ऐसा बात?
See, would का ऐसा percentage नहीं है, but you can use it. We are using it for present, past and future. सब जगह use करते हैं. मैं तो सब जगह use करता हूँ would. सब जगह मतलब है नहीं, मेरे को जब कोई भी सेंटेंस अच्छे, क्योंकि अभी अपने को बात करनी तो अपन अच्छे लेवल पे बात करते हैं. So I can use their would. सबसे बेस्ट है. I would go there. Would I go there? I wouldn't go there. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, continue please. Can you give me some sentences now with would? I would I wouldn't. Take these words and make sentences. I would go there. Would I go there? I wouldn't go there. I would help you. Would I help you? I wouldn't help you. I would select the car. Would I select the car? I wouldn't select the car. I would establish a company. Would I establish a company? I wouldn't establish a company. Take these words and make sentences now. I would.
So first form, second form, third form या कौन से भी?
Only the first form. Second और third form खाली past and future के लिए लगता है ना, past अलग-अलग tenses के लिए.
नहीं, आपने बोला तीनों के लिए यूज हो सकता है ना वो.
हाँ, तो बट अभी अपन उसको फिलहाल में किसके लिए बना रहे हैं? फ्यूचर के लिए बना रहे हैं, प्रेजेंट के लिए बना रहे हैं, पास्ट के लिए नहीं.
I would teach you. Would I teach you? I wouldn't teach you.
Good. Next.
She would continue with her job. Would she continue with her job? She wouldn't continue with her job.
Good. Yes, continue.
I will continue. You. Sorry.
I would continue. Would I continue? I wouldn't continue.
I will continue.
I would correct the mistake. Would I correct the mistake? I wouldn't correct the mistake.
Very good.
She would deny.
Continue.
She would deny her new project. Would she deny her new project? She wouldn't deny her new project.
I would
Very good.
deliver.
Deny her new projects.
I would deliver a parcel. Would I deliver a parcel? I wouldn't deliver a parcel.
Very good.
I will copy this file. Would I copy this file? I wouldn't copy this file.
Good.
I would like to play now. Would I like to play now? I wouldn't like to play now.
I would direct send you message. Would I direct send you message? I wouldn't direct send you message.
Good. Yes, continue.
I would like to create new account. Would I like to create new account? I wouldn't like to create new account.
Very
I-
nice.
I would.
Shivdas, Pradeep, Karthik.
I would drive Indiaware. Would I drive Indiaware? I wouldn't drive Indiaware.
An endeavor.
And sorry.
An endeavor. Very good. Very good. Ford Endeavor, huh? Nice car.
So
Jyotsna ma'am. Yeah.
I would disagree with his suggestion. Would I disagree with his suggestion? I wouldn't disagree with his suggestion.
I would
Very good.
I would earn money. I wouldn't and I would earn money.
Earn
I
money.
wouldn't
Would I earn money?
earn money. I wouldn't earn and earn money.
Earn money. Pradeep. Karthik.
I would like to make coffee. Would I like to make coffee? I wouldn't like to make coffee.
Good. Shivdas. Ma'am.
I would conduct the science exhibition. Would I conduct the science exhibition? I wouldn't conduct the science exhibition.
Very good. Yes.
I would like to cross boundary of India country. Would I like to cross boundary of India country? I wouldn't like to cross boundary of India country.
Good.
I wouldn't enjoy party. Wouldn't I enjoy party? I would.
No. Would I enjoy the party? I wouldn't enjoy the party.
सर अभी इंडिया के लिए एन लगाया तो एंजॉय ये क्यों नहीं एन?
See, I would like to enjoy a party. Would I like to enjoy a party? I wouldn't like to enjoy a party. Or I would enjoy a party. Would I enjoy a party? I wouldn't enjoy a party. Simple. क्या पूछ रहे हैं आप?
और वोवेल्स के लिए एन लगता है ना?
हाँ, तो
इंडिविजुअल के लिए मैंने एन लगाया, आपने बोलने क्या?
अभी वहाँ पे वॉवल्स के लिए एन लगता है, तो किसके लिए लगता है वो? नाउन के लिए लगता है, राइट? सी, इन अ रिवर, वर्ब के लिए अ लगेगा क्या? अ स्विम बोलेंगे क्या?
नहीं.
Same case. What was the sentence? Repeat once again. See,
I would
I
like
would
enjoy.
enjoy a party.
हाँ मैंने n लगाया है. I would enjoy party.
And enjoy नहीं आएगा. Would I
Enjoy party.
enjoy a party? Negative.
I wouldn't.
Correct. I wouldn't enjoy a party.
क्यों सर नहीं
Is that
लगा?
clear? Pardon?
इंडिविजुअल के लिए n लगा और इसलिए नहीं.
देखो ना आपने क्या किया है. आपने क्या बोला था? I would drive an endeavor, right?
हाँ.
तो ड्राइव के लिए एन एंडीवर क्यों आया? बिकॉज एंडीवर गाड़ी का नाम था, राइट?
या.
तो वहां पे वो गाड़ी के लिए अपने लगाया ना एंडीवर.
And
I would drive an endeavor. आया ना इधर. तो ये इसके लिए वर्ब के लिए एन नहीं लगेगा, वर्ब के लिए कुछ नहीं लगेगा उधर. ओके, सिंपल है बहुत. दोस्त आप थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. हाँ, आप थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं, उसके लिए थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस चाहिए आपको घर पर. नाउन के लिए लगता है, वर्ब के लिए नहीं लगेगा. कंटिन्यू. ये वो वाला आपने वर्ब नहीं बोला था. कंटिन्यू प्लीज.
She would deserve for an IS officer. Would she deserve for an IS officer? She wouldn't deserve for an IS officer.
Very good. Yes.
She
Yes.
would available on Sunday. Will she available on Sunday? She would available on Sunday.
Very good girl. कार्तिक, प्रदीप, शिवदास, आरतीने मारले का आपल्याला? कार्तिक, अरे रिपीट. अनम्यूट केलं, परत म्यूट केलाय खतरनाक माणूस.
I would to go college. Would I go to college? I wouldn't go to college.
शिवदास. शिवदास.
Yes. I would.
अरे अपना ये टॉपिक
I
खत्म
would-
होने वाला है ये वीक में.
I
Please,
would
all of you
get
pay attention, please. See, this week we are going to finish this topic and we are going to start our prepositions. Prepositions पढ़ना है कि नहीं आप लोग को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
फिर
sir.
कितना important topic है? In, on, out, under, beneath, over, above, against. कितना opposite, preposite, कितने सारे हैं?
before.
Over, across. Yes or no?
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
important
Yes,
topic है
sir.
आपको. So please make sentences. ऐसे चुप मत बैठो. मैंने आप लोगों को कल कितना अच्छा मोटिवेट किया, आप लोग फिर भी चुप
Yes.
बैठे. You are an eagle baby. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have to fly high in the sky. So fly high in the sky, make sentences. Pradeep, Shivdas, गप बसायचं नाही भाऊ. Keep on making sentences. Okay? Good. Keep up, please.
I would get
You are
the
my
new
angels.
job. Would I get the new job? I wouldn't get the new job.
Very good. I would get the new job. Would I get the new job? I wouldn't get the new job. Next. Yes. Okay. Network
Sir,
problem.
can you roll down the verbs?
Sure. For you. तुमच्यासाठी काय पण हो. Yeah.
I would die for she. Would I die for she? I wouldn't die for she.
I would die for her. Would I die for her? I wouldn't die for her.
I would die for her. I wouldn't die for her. Sorry, I would die for her. Would I die for her? I wouldn't die for her.
Very good.
I would
Yes.
get up early. Would I get up early? I wouldn't get up early.
Good.
I would join the
Next.
gym. Would I join the gym? I wouldn't join the gym.
Very good.
She would hope for a bright future. Would she hope for a bright future? She wouldn't hope for a bright future.
Very good. Continue, please.
She would dislike a new sari. Would she dislike a new sari? She wouldn't dislike a new sari.
Nice.
I would hope you understand. Would I hope you understand? I wouldn't hope you understand.
Good.
He would dismiss the case. Would he dismiss the case? He wouldn't dismiss the case.
Good.
It would disappear
Yes.
in the sky. Would it disappear in the sky? It wouldn't disappear in the sky.
Very good.
It would
I would
catch fire.
like
It would catch fire slowly. Would it catch fire slowly? It wouldn't catch fire slowly.
Wooden. Yes.
I would like imagine new different thing. Would I like imagine new different thing? I wouldn't like imagine new different thing.
Very good. Next. Yes.
Sir, what is deceive?
धोखा देना. धोखे को मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं मैम? धोखा.
धोका फसवणे सर.
फसवणे.
दगाबाजी करणे. फसविणे.
दगाबाजी.
धोका दिला.
धोखा. कार्तिक को अच्छा मालूम रहेगा. कार्तिक.
कार्तिकला तिने धोका दिला.
Continue please.
असं काय नाही सर.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ यार. Relax.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Continue please. Yeah. Take new words. Take these new words. Yeah. She would persist. Would she persist? She wouldn't persist. He would offer. Would he offer? He wouldn't offer. They would occupy. Would they occupy? They wouldn't occupy. We would provoke. Would we provoke? We wouldn't provoke them. We would publish a book. Would we publish a book? We wouldn't publish a book. They would prepare for exam. Would they prepare for an exam? They wouldn't prepare for an exam. She would pretend me. Would she pretend me? She wouldn't pretend me. He would procrastinate. Would he procrastinate? He wouldn't procrastinate. They would produce. Would they produce? They wouldn't produce.
She would practice for spoken English. Would she practice for spoken English? She wouldn't practice for spoken English.
They would pray for. They would pray for poor family. Would they pray for poor family?
Sir,
They would just
सर
pray
वारुळाला
for
काय
poor
म्हणतात?
Pardon?
वारुळाला काय म्हणतात?
वारडे मतलब?
वारुळ मतलब स्नेक रहता है
सर
ना.
जिसमें स्नेक रहता है सर.
Next house.
मतलब मैं समझा नहीं.
सर जिसमें स्नेक रहता है
कहाँ
और
पे रहता है वो?
अच्छा स्नेक जहाँ पे रहता है वो जगह
क्या
को.
मिट्टी का होता है वो?
वारुळ.
वारुळ बोलते हैं
बोल रहे
उसको
हैं।
मराठी में.
Den.
What, sir?
Den.
स्नेक डेन या ओनली डेन सर.
Snake den बोलेंगे उसको.
स्नेक का
Snake den.
होमी हो.
Snake den. Snake den. खतरनाक शिवदास. Make sentences.
Sir, it would came out of the snake den. Would it came out of the snake den? It
Come.
came up. Come down of snake den.
Good.
I would like to meet two new people. Would I like to meet two new people? I wouldn't like to meet new people.
Very good.
She would punish you. Would she punish you? She wouldn't punish you.
Good.
I would pass you. Would I pass you? I wouldn't pass you.
Good. Next.
I would
prepare. Would I prepare? I wouldn't prepare. I would observe it. Would I observe it? I wouldn't observe it. You would promise me. Would you promise me? You wouldn't promise me. They would regret. Would they regret? They wouldn't regret. She'll reply. Will she? She would reply. Would she reply? She wouldn't reply. It will notify. It would notify. Would it notify? It wouldn't notify. They would object. Would they object? They wouldn't object. Yes. Continue.
He would respect for elders. Would he respect for elder? He wouldn't respect for elder.
He would respect. Would he respect? He wouldn't respect.
They would,
They would pretend
punish.
to be nice. Would they pretend to be nice? They wouldn't pretend to be nice. Yes.
They would punish. They would punish him. Would they punish him? They wouldn't punish him.
Very good. They would punish him. Would they punish him? They wouldn't punish him.
They would register
Karthik.
for exam. Would they register for exam? They wouldn't register for exam.
For exams. Very good. Karthik.
I study at noon. Would I
would
study at
study.
noon? I would study at noon. Would I study at noon? I wouldn't study at noon.
She would
Miss
open
Chaitanya.
new shop. Would she open new shop? She wouldn't open new shop.
Yes, Guddu.
You would obey the law. Would you obey the law? You wouldn't obey the law.
Very good. Next.
They would renew shop license. Would they renew shop license? They wouldn't renew shop license.
She
Shop
would peel
license.
the potato. Would she peel the potato? She wouldn't peel the potato.
We would
But it-
order. We would order food. Would we order food? We wouldn't order food.
Very good.
We would
She-
reveal the poster. Would we reveal the poster? We wouldn't reveal the poster.
Very good.
She would resign her job. Would she resign her job? She wouldn't resign her job.
Very good. Shall
She
I show
would
you something here?
register.
Yeah.
Shall I show
Yes,
you
sir.
something here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Many-
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I could see that there are some students and they are just feeling under the cloud that they could not speak English and they could not make sentences well. I would like to tell you one more thing. One of my theory, which I keep on showing all of my students, whoever join me. I would like to tell you one more story. The story is really very simple. It is going to motivate you. How? Let me answer you here. Did you see honeybee hive? Did you see honeybee hive?
Pardon?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Honeybee का hive देखा है कभी आप लोगों ने?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you now. अभी honeybee hive क्या होता क्या है देखो. honeybee hive कुछ ऐसा रहता है. आप लोगों ने देखा रहेगा. Just a minute. I don't know what's wrong. It is something like this. Correct?
ये नहीं, ये honey bee hive. देखा है?
Hexagons होते हैं honeybee hive के. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
मेरा ड्राइंग
Yes,
इतना
sir.
अच्छा नहीं है, बट जो मैं एक्सप्लेन करना चाह रहा हूँ, प्लीज पे अटेंशन दैट. हनीबी का हाइव कुछ ऐसा होता है. करेक्ट? एंड डू यू नो द इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट अबाउट इट? Honeybee half start from this side and half start from this side. Half of them they start from this side and half of them they start from this side, and in the middle they come and they join it well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I
इसको
know.
बराबर join करते हैं. देखा है
मधुमक्खी
कभी आप लोगों ने?
मधुमक्खी का छत्ता
या मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. आहा,
सबको पता है पर वो नाम
very good. अभी प्लीज ध्यान देना, बीच में टोको. Pay attention. If you see here, honeybee hive, they start half from here and half from here, and they come up in between and they join it. And all the hives, honeybee hive, all the hexagons are there. They have the same shape with the same size. They have the same shape with the same size. As you can see here, हमारा यहाँ पे गलत हो गया. Yes or no? अपना यहाँ पे गलत हुआ है. They half come from here, they half come from here, and they join it. I'll tell you the greatest fact about it. Please pay attention. यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए. मैं उसके बारे में कुछ fact बताना चाहता हूँ. That if you see honeybee hive, half of them they start from here, half of them they start from here. In the middle they come and they join it. And all the honeybee hives, hexagons are there. They have the same size. They have the same size, same weightage, same length, same width. Honeybee is just this tiny small. And they are working so great. See the creature of the God. See the creature, see the creation of the God. They are doing so hard work. They are making that honeybee hive, and they are making so perfectly that the human beings can't. Can we make it like this? क्या हम लोग बना सकते हैं?
No.
No, sir.
अपना भी अपन ने बनाया तो अपना सब पूरा आड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया. अपने को क्या चाहिए होते? फुल पट्टी, स्केल. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The moment when we make a drawing, we just keep on making. We keep on erasing them. If you see there, honeybee hive, they try to make from here half one and here half one. They join it, and they don't take even a single pencil to draw the sketch. They don't take the scale to draw the sketch. They take nothing and they make it naturally. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And they make
Yes,
it very
sir.
awesome. So who is intelligent, honeybee or we?
Honeybee.
Absolutely. अभी मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. Humans की कुछ औकात है क्या?
No, sir.
Nothing. If you see that honeybee, इतना सा tiny honeybee है और कितना perfect बनाता है, और अपन इतने बड़े जानवर के जानवर होके, इतने बड़े घोड़े के घोड़े होके अपने को सीधा से एक लाइन मारने नहीं आता है. Yes or no? Actually, I'm not demotivating you. I'm just telling you that nobody is perfect in the whole world. दुनिया में कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो अपनी वो भी लेवल पे नहीं अपन के अपन वो हनी बी के लेवल को टच करें. I'll tell you one more thing. So that honeybee is trying to make a hive. The hive is what? Absolutely with a perfect shape. So don't try to be perfect. Just try, and one day you'll become perfect. But if you're going to be perfect first and then you're going to speak up, it doesn't matter. So you have to speak up first, you'll become perfect afterwards. आप लोग को जरूरी नहीं कि पहले आपको perfect होना है फिर आप लोग बाद में बोलेंगे. Just try, just improve yourself, and at last, finally, you're going to improve yourself and you'll become perfect. I'll give you one more example. आप लोग को मैं एक और example देता हूँ. Did you see pig tea? Oh my God, pig. Did you see pig?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वो पिग से भी हम लोग को कुछ ना कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलता है. क्या सीखने मिलता है? सीखने वाले के लिए कुछ भी सीख सकता है वो, अगर सीखने का माइंड रहेगा तो. और अगर ऐसा कि मैं कुछ सीखूंगा नहीं, मैं तो टीचर हूँ, बाप रे. So this man is going to destroy. ये कभी भी बढ़ेगा नहीं आगे. Remember this. Do you know that pig? वो pig से भी हम लोग को सीखने के लिए मिलता है. How? क्या सीखने मिलता है? The simple thing that you learn from the pig is what? Did you ever see pig like this? ऐसे 4 बटन खुले हुए और ऐसे भाग रहा है. ऐसे ऊपर देख के कभी देखा है pig को?
No.
No, sir.
Pig हमेशा ऐसे नीचे रखता है मुंडी. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कभी pig को देखा है ऐसे चल रहा है? और अपने इधर थोड़ा जिम को जाता है, थोड़ा बॉडी बीडी बनाया तो ऐसा. ए, रख भाई आए ले. इधर से 4 बटन खुले ऐसा, ऐसे टाइट टी शर्ट एकदम फिटिंग. Do you know one more thing? आपको मालूम है साइंस says when the baby boy gets born, it is weaker and weaker than a girl. Baby girl is much more stronger than baby boy. आप लोग ससुन में जाओ, कोई भी हॉस्पिटल में जाओ, वहां पे जाके उन लोग को बोलो हम लोग को सर्वे करना है जरा कि बेबी बॉय ज्यादा मरते हैं कि बेबी गर्ल मरते हैं. आप लोगों ने सुना रहेगा, देखो बेबी हुआ था मर गया, बेबी हुआ था
Yes, sir.
मर गया बेबी.
Yes, sir.
So you will find there the baby boy is much more in the quantity than baby girl who are dying. Baby girl बहुत कम मरती है, baby boy सबसे ज्यादा मरते हैं. आप अक्सर सुनो कि अरे मेरे को लड़का हुआ था चले गया, अरे मेरे को बेटा हुआ था पैदा हुआ था मर गया. You know why? Because baby boy is really very weaker than baby girl. बेबी गर्ल क्या करती है, जर्म्स से लड़ती है. पैदा होने के बाद में जो जर्म्स वगैरह रहते हैं ना, उससे लड़ती है, सर्वाइव करती है. और बेबी बॉय क्या करता है, अरे गेला, अरे उठ, गेला रे, गया. और फिर बड़ा होने के बाद में क्या करता है, जिम बिम करता है. मी भाई ये यू बाय से वेयर द हेल आर यू. अरे बचपना देखो अपना जाकर. आप लोग जब छोटे पापा थे वो टाइम पे अपन क्या थे, अरे गेला तो, अरे राजू 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 गया उधर खड्डे में. राजू हैज नथिंग. बड़ा होने के बाद में क्या करता है, राजू बिकम्स बिल्डर. So that pig is much more better than that man who is going like this. So the man who is looking upside and pretending to be the nice in the whole society, and he is dominating the whole society, that pig is much more better than this man. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember, घमंड मत करो कभी भी. अपन घमंड करने के लायक के हैं क्या? No. And always remember, do not try to cheat the nature. Do not try to pretend the nature. Do not try to do anything bad with the nature. Nature बहुत जबरदस्त चीज है. Nature से भी हम लोग को सीखने के लिए मिलता है. I'll give you one more example. एक मैं आप लोग को एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ, then you can understand it well. Did you see mountains? Mountains देखा है आप लोगों ने कभी?
Yes,
Huge
sir.
mountains.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मैं आज आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रहा हूँ घमंड के बारे में, एटीट्यूड के बारे में. एटीट्यूड क्या करेंगे? कचरा है, कुछ नहीं है. If you see the mountains, the high tall mountains are there. आपको मालूम है माउंटेन्स की किस्मत कितनी बेकार है? बहुत ही बेकार किस्मत है उसकी. You know why? Because those tall high mountains जो ऐसे एकदम खड़े रहते हैं mountains, उनकी किस्मत में क्या मालूम है, वो लोगों की जूती के नीचे आते हैं. You know how? गुड्डू how? कार्तिक how? शिवदास how? प्रदीप how?
सर लोग ट्रैकिंग के लिए जाते हैं ना.
ओके, वेरी गुड गर्ल. और आपको मालूम है अपने जो रोड्स बनते हैं ना, रोड्स, वो जो रोड्स के ऊपर पत्थर लाके डालते हैं, मालूम है रोड्स बनाने के लिए? वो पत्थर कहाँ से आता है?
माउंटेन से.
एग्जैक्टली, माउंटेन को कट करते, उसका खड़ी बनाते, पत्थर बनाते, और उसको फिर पत्थर को रास्ते में बिछाते, उसका रोड बनाते. कल तक जो माउंटेन एकदम हाई टॉल खड़ा था, अभी कहाँ है वो?
रोड के ऊपर.
करेक्ट, लोगों के चप्पल के नीचे, जूते के नीचे. सो उसका घमंड वहां था, कहाँ पे आया? जूते के नीचे. ये मैंने जब मैं क्लास 3 के अंदर था, मैंने तब पढ़ा था ये, एक पोएम के अंदर. मेरे को आज भी याद है, क्लास 3 में मैंने पोएम के अंदर पढ़ा था ये. सो नेवर एवर बी egoistic, घमंड मत करो. So we are the people that God has granted us some great things. So we have to work on that. So I believe that if you are going to do work on yourself, you are going to become something greater. So work on yourself rather than working on anything else. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. I hope you have learned from this story something and you're going to work on it.
Yes, sir.
Good. That's really cool. Now, can you please give me some more sentence with you, we, they? You would, we would, they would. You would, we would, they would. And this week, and in this week, we are going to finish this topic, and we are going to start a new topic from the next week. Okay. So tomorrow we shall have one of the most important modal auxiliary verb, and that's what used to. All right. आप लोग सो रहे हैं क्या? Nobody answers me.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
टेंशन नहीं लेने का यार. अरे मैंने बोला ऐसा, बॉयज लोग अभी रो रहे क्या यार, ओ सर तुम्ही काय आम्ही आम्हाला असं बोलतो, आज जिमला चाललेलो आता काय जाणार. ऐसे नहीं करना, खाली मजाक कर रहा था. बट वो रियलिटी है, समझो जरा उसको. ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो बैक. नाउ आई वांट यू टू मेक सेंटेंसेस नाउ हियर विद यू, विद दे, फास्टर. यस, you would, we would, they would.
They would pour water in the pot. Would they pour water in the pot? They wouldn't pour water in the pot.
Good. Yes.
You would like
Continue.
to drink milk. Would you like to drink milk? You wouldn't like to drink milk.
Very good.
You would repair the chair. Would you repair the chair? You wouldn't repair the chair.
Good.
You would promise me. Would you promise? You wouldn't promise me.
Good.
They would increase the production. Would they increase the production? They wouldn't increase the production.
Increase the production.
You would prove yourself. Would you prove yourself? You wouldn't prove yourself.
Improve yourself. Good. Yes, continue.
What is procrastinate, sir?
Yeah. What do you mean by procrastinate? देर करना, रुकावट लाना. आपण बोलते ना, अरे ते माझ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये नाही का, ते जरा देर करतोय जरा माझा प्रोजेक्ट द्यायसाठी. अडचण करणे, अडकून ठेवणे. That's what procrastinates. Yes. Pradeep, make sentences. Karthik, Miss Chaitali, ma'am.
You will notice your parents. Will you notice your parents? You wouldn't notice
Yes.
your parents.
Correct. Good.
You would
Repair your car. Would we repair your car? We wouldn't repair your car.
Very good. Next.
You would
We would
renew the subscription. Would you renew the subscription? You wouldn't renew the subscription.
Very good.
We would protect the nature. Would we protect the nature? We wouldn't protect the nature.
We would.
Very good.
Would rest in home. Would we rest in home? We wouldn't rest in home.
Very good. Take some new words and make sentences now here. We would persuade them. Would we persuade them? We wouldn't persuade them. They would struggle. Would they struggle? They wouldn't struggle. She would satisfy. Would she satisfy? She wouldn't satisfy. They would vaccinate. Would they vaccinate? Wouldn't.
They would suffer from coronavirus.
Answer.
Would they suffer from coronavirus? Wouldn't suffer from coronavirus.
They would play cricket. Would they
Good.
play cricket? We wouldn't play cricket.
Good.
It
Would
would
play cricket. Would they
suffocate
play
us.
cricket?
Would it suffocate us? It would
They would
suffocate us.
support.
Would
Would
it
they support?
suffocate us? It wouldn't.
Good. Yes.
You would bet the match. Would you bet the match? You wouldn't bet the match.
Good. Beat the match.
They will support other people. Would they support other people? They wouldn't support other people.
Good.
They would wander in the forest. Would they wander in the forest? They wouldn't wander in the forest.
Very good. They would wander in the forest. Would they wander? They wouldn't wander. Next.
They would wait for her. Would they wait for her? They wouldn't wait for her.
Very good.
It would shelter for a winter. Would it shelter for a winter? It wouldn't shelter for a winter.
Good.
You would pick up me. Would you pick up me? You wouldn't pick up me.
Good. You would pick me up. Would you pick me up? You wouldn't pick me up. Or you would pick up me. Would you pick up me? You wouldn't pick up me. Next.
You would polish the shoes. Would you polish the shoes? You wouldn't polish the shoes.
Good.
We would realize our mistake. Would we realize our mistake? We wouldn't realize our mistake.
Very good.
Would you like
Yes,
to?
continue. Continue.
Would you like
So
to
if there'll
share?
be possibility, I'll show you something new as well. Yes.
Would you like to share with me? Would I like to share with me? You wouldn't like to share with me.
कसं फेकलं मी कसं फेकलं भाऊ अहो फेकायचं नाही.
You
You would like
would.
to share. Would you like to share? You wouldn't like to share. Yes. Continue. Continue.
You would. You would shout when you see it. Would you shout when you see it? You won't. You wouldn't shout when you see it.
Very good. You would shout. Would you shout? You wouldn't shout. Last one is remaining used to. Yes. Continue, please.
They
They
would
would
realize.
procrastinate for a meeting.
Would they?
So, ma'am.
Would they procrastinate for a meeting? They wouldn't procrastinate for a meeting.
Very good. Next. Next.
You would clean the floor. Would you clean the floor? You wouldn't clean the floor.
Good. Next.
They would repair a machine. Would they repair a machine? They wouldn't repair a machine.
Very good. Next.
They would realize that. Would they realize that? They wouldn't realize that.
Good. Next. Anything else with wood? Okay. Do you have any doubts regarding wood? Yes. Anyone? Anyone would like to ask any questions, any doubts, any problems regarding wood?
No, sir.
All right. Let's go for the next one and the last one, and that's what used to. Shall I teach you used to now, or shall I teach you this tomorrow?
Tomorrow. So new topic.
All right, no problem at all. So I want you to make some more sentences with would.
Yeah.
Take these verbs and make sentences with would. Take these verbs. They would squander. Would they squander? They wouldn't squander. We would smell. Would we smell? We wouldn't smell. She would tickle. Would she tickle? She wouldn't tickle. We would warn. Would we warn? We wouldn't warn. It would threaten. Would it threaten? It wouldn't threaten. I would testify. Would I testify? It wouldn't testify. She would trust. Would she trust? She wouldn't trust. He would torture. Would he torture? He wouldn't torture. They would tire. Would they tire? They wouldn't tire. She would sign. Would she sign? She wouldn't sign. He would smash. Would he smash? He wouldn't smash. It would smear. Would it smear? It wouldn't smear. Make sentences, please.
You would solve the problem. Would you solve the problem? You wouldn't solve the problem.
Next.
We would stay at home. Would we stay at home? We wouldn't stay at home.
You would try
Good.
English. Would you try to speak English? You wouldn't try to speak English.
Good.
We would taste the food. Would we taste the food? We wouldn't taste the food.
Very
They would try. They would tire. Would they tire? They wouldn't tire.
We would solve the puzzle. Would we solve the puzzle? We wouldn't solve the puzzle.
You would sign.
Very
the
good.
paper.
Next.
They would
you sign the
neither.
paper. Would you sign? You would sign the paper.
Yes.
Would you sign the paper? You wouldn't sign the paper.
We would travel.
Very good. You would sign. Would you sign the paper? You wouldn't sign the paper. Shivdas.
They would unite the country. Would they unite the country? They wouldn't unite the country.
They would,
Very good. Unite the country.
they would
Yes.
travel.
Continue.
Would they travel? They wouldn't travel.
Very good.
You turn the page.
Next.
Would you turn the page? We wouldn't turn the page.
Turn the page.
It
Next.
would slow.
Ma'am.
They would stay for a week.
Would
Would
it
they
go?
stay for a week? They wouldn't stay for a week.
They would
You
work.
will
Yes.
They would work from home. Would they work from home? They wouldn't work from home.
try
Very
again.
good.
Would you try again? You wouldn't try again.
Good. Shivdas.
It would swallow. Would it swallow? It wouldn't swallow.
Very
We would
good.
watch the movie. Would we watch the movie? We wouldn't watch the movie.
You would
Very
stay
good.
at home.
We would welcome to our guest. Would we welcome to our guest? We wouldn't welcome to our guest.
Very
You
good.
would like to work with me. Would you like to work with me? You wouldn't like to work with me.
Very good.
They would trust me. They wouldn't trust me. They would not. Would they trust me? They wouldn't trust me.
Very good. They would peko me.
The God would worship to you. Would the God worship to you? The God wouldn't worship to you.
No, the sentence will be dangerous, ma'am. We would worship the God. Would we worship the God? It wouldn't worship the God.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Worship the God. Not God is going to worship us.
They would stay home. They wouldn't. No, would they stay home? They wouldn't stay home.
Very good. Next.
We would smash him down. Would we smash him down? We wouldn't smash him down.
Very good. Next.
We would show the picture. Would we show the picture? We wouldn't show the picture.
Very
They
good.
would
Next.
shout to students. Would they shout to students? They wouldn't shout to students.
Good. Yes.
You would
It would smell bitter. Would it smell bitter? It wouldn't smell bitter.
You
Very
would
good.
like to watch news. Would you like to watch news? You wouldn't like to watch news.
Good. You would like to watch news. Next.
You would publish the book. Would you publish the book? We wouldn't. You wouldn't publish the book.
Publish the book. Yes.
We would practice for sentences. Would we practice for sentences? We wouldn't practice for sentences.
Very good. Next.
He would resign the job. Would he resign the job? He wouldn't resign the job.
He would offer you. Would he offer you? He wouldn't offer you.
Good. Next.
We would receive a good signal. Would we receive a good signal? We wouldn't receive a good signal.
Nice. Yes.
They would satisfy for spoken English class. Would they satisfy for spoken English class? They wouldn't satisfy for spoken English class.
Very good. Continue.
You would teach me. You would please teach me. Would you please teach me? You wouldn't please teach me.
No, my dear. Don't put that please. You would teach me. Would you please teach me? You wouldn't teach me. Next.
We would suffer from pandemic. Would we suffer from pandemic? We wouldn't suffer from pandemic.
Very good.
They would save the picture. Would they save the picture? They wouldn't save the picture.
Very good. Yes.
We
They would forbid. Would they forbid?
You
They
would
wouldn't
like
forbid.
to visit new place.
we would sing
Yes.
song. Would we sing song? We wouldn't sing song.
Very good boy. Good do. बीच में घुसना नहीं जब मस्तूरात बोलते रहते हैं. When the ladies are speaking, बीच में आने नहीं ladies लोग देंगे फैक्टर उठा के punch. Yes, it's Chaitali. Continue.
You
मजाक
would
कर रहा
like
हूँ.
to
Relax.
visit new place.
Would you like to visit a new
Would you like
place?
to visit new places? Would you like to visit new places? You wouldn't like to visit new places.
Very nice. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any questions? It is really easy, and tomorrow we are going to finish this topic. Apart from this one, On Friday, we are going to speak up on the same topic with our repeated past routine. What I'm going to teach you tomorrow, you are going to speak up on Friday. So everybody will be present there on Friday. And the students who are going to be absent on Friday, who are intending to be absent on Friday, may God help them. I won't spare them on Monday. Monday के दिन मैं उन लोगों को छोड़ूंगा नहीं, उनकी बारात आएगी फिर. Okay? So please, nobody will be absent on Friday. Nobody will be absent tomorrow as well. Tomorrow, the last one used to, we are going to see tomorrow how to use. It is one of the most important modal auxiliary verb used to. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow on time. And please don't be absent and don't come late to class. And if you have any friends who want to join classes, I'm starting my face-to-face classes in camp from 1st of December, so you can just make them aware of this one as well. All right, and our high-level English class is going on 7:15 in the evening. If you want to join, you can join freely, no problem at all. All right, we'll see you. Cheerio tomorrow. Yeah.
कल मैं आपके घर के पास से
Okay,
गुजरा था,
sir.
कोंडवा में आया था मैं.
Oh wow, really?
भाई ने बताया आपका घर, वो डांस कर रहे थे. कल मैं आंटी को छोड़ने आया था पुणे को.
किसको?
आंटी को, मेरे आंटी आई थी मेरे घर पे.
ओके, आना था, फिर बोलना था, मिला होता मैं आपको.
रात के 12:30 बजे.
अरे
हाँ, मैं घर से 8:30 बजे निकला था, तो आने को देर हुई. जाते रहे भाई ने बताया. यहाँ सर रहते और कैम्प में आपके भाई की दुकान थी ना शायद.
हाँ हाँ
ये ना, हाँ वो भी दिखा. मतलब दुकान देखा नहीं, पर आपका घर देखा.
keep up. All right guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
हम्म.
Bye.